morning everyone and welcome to our nursery and reception presentation assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 31st of March 2023 to celebrate all those children in nursery and reception who've earned themselves presentation certificates this morning. You're not going to see a great deal of me, you're going to see amazing children getting their certificates. So over to the nursery children. And we're going to start first this morning with our phonics stars. And the children in nursery got phonics. It's Oscar and Adam. Well done, Oscar. Well done, Adam, working so hard on your phonics throughout this term. You absolute superstars. Really, really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our reading stars and our reading stars in nursery. Look at these three, look. So we've got Diana, we've got Ruby, we've got Simon. Look at that. Well done, guys. Super reading every single day. It's amazing. So really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home as well today. You absolute superstars. On to our math stars and our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look at these nursery mathematicians. Oh, look at that. Aileen and Victoria, look at you working so hard, knowing all your numbers as well. You absolute superstars. Really well done, working so hard on your maths. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. Well done. And then on to our understanding the world. Now these guys are so inquisitive, asking lots of questions, finding themselves, and have a lot of knowledge as well. It is Brody and Grace. Look at them. Yes, out in the world there. Look at Brody outside, out in the playground there. Brilliant. And there, Grace, look, with our trip to Roxham Barns there with the guinea pigs. Amazing. Well done, you two. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute superstars. Really well done. On to physical development stars, our PE stars. Look at these guys. Now these guys really are physically developed. They really are. It is. Look at this, George, Denise, Mate and Aras. Look at you guys. Well done. Absolutely brilliant. Working so hard outside, just being active all the time. It is amazing. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home as well. You absolute superstars. Well done. Keep yourself healthy and fit, and make sure you keep doing that over Easter as well. On to reception. We've got our phonics certificate winners in reception as well, and they are none other than here they come. Look at these four. Look. Well done, you superstars. So we've got Frankie, we've got Jessica, Vita, and Ella Bell. Well done, you four. Congratulations on earning your phonics stars, and well done. Keep up your phonics because it'll just help with your reading. Well done. On to our reading. Our reading certificate winners. So these guys, not only are they going to get themselves a certificate, but they're going to get themselves a reading book as well. It is. Look at these guys. Look. Well done, Noah, Marlia, Kaylee and Poppy. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Really well done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking certificates and your reading books home with you, superstars. Well done. On to our math certificate winners. Oh, these mathematicians as well. Look at these guys working just as hard as our nursery children. Look at, wowee, Joshua, Alex. Well done, Alex, Oscar and Jasmine. Look at these guys. So good. Big thumbs up from me as well, Alex. Really well done. Huge, amazing work on your maths. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to understanding the world. Now these guys are really inquisitive as well, just like those nursery children. And the four winners are, here they are, look. We've got Kylie, we've got Caius, we've got Jaden there and Charlie. Well done, guys. I know you are so inquisitive and really knowledgeable as well. So fantastic work, guys. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Really well done. Our physical development. Now these guys are physically active. They really are. There's no stopping them when they're outside and in their PE lessons. Look at these PE stars. There they are. Look, Moana, Kian. Look at, well done, Jameson and Sammy. Look at those big smiles as well. It just makes you smile. Well done, guys. Keep being physically active. Keep it up over Easter as well. Not too many Easter eggs. Keep being really active over the Easter holidays as well. Well done, you superstars. Brilliant work from you reception children. And just a little reminder about all the golden ticket winners this time. Look at all these names that are coming up who've earned themselves a golden ticket this time since January. Look at this. Oh, look at all those children. And you would have seen some of them today getting certificates as well. So it's no surprise that these are golden ticket winners. Look at them all the way through. Well done to all of you children from all the way through the nursery and reception who've earned yourselves golden tickets this term from January. So really well done, all of you. Absolute superstar. Really proud of you. proud of all of those children. What an amazing set of certificates. Well done, everyone. As you can see, school closes today for the Easter holidays, Friday, 35th of March at 3:15. So school closes at the end of today. And we are back to school on Monday, the 17th of April, after the Easter breaks. 2 weeks off now, but we are back to school Monday, the 17th of April, 2023, ready for the new term with gates opening 8:30. So until that, everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful Easter, and we'll see you all on Monday, the 17th of April. Bye-bye now.